Hello everyone, it's Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access, your full-service home modification company focusing on aging in place, fall prevention, and increasing accessibility throughout the community. Now today is a special Tip Tuesday filming here. We're brought to you live here at the new Oakley Home Access building. So we have a showroom that we're setting up where individuals are going to be able to come by, visit with us, consult with us, and try out our equipment. We understand a lot of folks, when they start hearing about aluminum modular ramps and vertical platform lifts, that they may never have heard those terms before, never mind have tried out the equipment before. So before you make the rather large investment in these products, we always advise to come down, take a look, visit with us, try out the equipment, ride up the vertical platform lift, take a cruise up and down the ramp, and just see which one might be the best fit for you. The modular ramp, of course, we can customize to most any entrance into the home, and the vertical platform lift with a little bit of site prep can go a long way to accessing some of the higher rises that we find throughout the community. So we're down here at 322 South Pier Road, right in Narragansett. Feel free to come by and visit. You can set up a free home safety assessment here, or always call us at 401-429-3882. Check us out online at oakleyhomeaccess.com, and happy to help any way we can. Again, full service home accessibility company. Ramps, stair lifts, grab bars, vertical platform lifts, anything you can imagine to keep you or a loved one home safe for years to come. Thanks, and talk to you next week.